Okay, the smooth tool, which was right if you click and hold down on the shaper tool, which looks like this. The smooth tool is right behind it, right behind the pencil. What it does is it smooths out paths just to help you out. Now, it is trying to understand what you're doing, but it may not do it perfectly. Okay, so let me give you an example. I'm going to use the pen tool and I'm going to try my best to make a leaf. I'm just clicking and dragging. Excuse me, clicking and letting the computer connect the dots. I'm going to come back to my original anchor point to where I get that circle right there. And I'm going to click to close the shape off. Now, obviously, this is a pitiful looking leaf. If you're like, oh man, you know what? The anchor point tool, I don't have time, or let's see how the smooth tool does. This is a great tool to use. So I'm going to click and hold down on my pencil, grab the smooth tool. Now, it'll work if you have it selected. So I already have this selected because I can see all the anchors. What you do is you click and drag over top of it. Okay, you can click multiple times. If you click in one area, it'll usually only affect that one spot. But what it does is it smooths out your anchor points, okay, and tries to figure out what you're doing. You see how this isn't really working right here? It's trying to figure out what I want to do. Okay, so like say if this isn't working, this is where you come in with that pen tool and you can get rid of some of your anchor points. Get rid of this one too. And now I'll go back in with my smooth tool and click and drag. And now I have a better looking leaf. Okay. So let's make it actually a leaf color. And I'm going to show you a trick. If you want your inside, your fill to be colored green as well, instead of finding that same green again and again, if you click on the border and drag it, and you see I have that little hand, and then I drop it in the fill, it'll fill it in. And now I have a leaf.